My name is Valerie Matsura. I work for Sopexa USA. We represent the French Ministry of Agriculture in the US. And we were very happy to collaborate with Académie Culinaire de France and the Maître Cuisinier de France Association to create a chef competition. We were willing to do this for a long time, and they were the best partner to work with. We're very excited to be able to have this competition to continue to promote the French gastronomy. There's a lot of challenge today in the world, and we want to continue to push French culinary talent and have more chefs interested in the culinary world.
Bonjour à tous, welcome to the Trophée Jean-Jacques Dietrich, aka le Best Chef Competition. We welcome today 4 candidates, 2 from Virginia who fly last night and 2 from New York City. Carlyle Williams, Guy-René Gérin, Jan Israelsen and Shane Kukenel. Welcome to the Best Chef Competition. Now we are going to draw your station and your commis, and after that we can get started.
Hi, my name is Carlyle Williams. I'm from Brooklyn, New York. How I feel about the competition today? Pretty good. So today I made a chicken and pork batter and a Alfredo sauce, also with a beet terrine, mushroom and a bone marrow.
My name is Ian Israelson. I'm from Morgantown, West Virginia. I feel very good about today. I came here to win, and that's what I plan to do. For my main dish, I've created a chicken ballotine.
My name is Cheney Kuykendall. I am currently from Richmond, Virginia. I feel a little overwhelmed with this competition, but I feel like with a good commis, I'll be fine. I am preparing a chicken roulade stuffed with leek and cherry sausage.
My name is Guy-René Gérin. I'm from Greenwich, Connecticut. I work at the French mission to the United Nations as the chef de cuisine. I've worked really hard on this for almost a year now. Started trying out these crazy recipes and eventually was able to bring it down to what I did today, which was a two chickens ballotine.
The participants will be judged on their creativity, their design, the taste, of course, the cooking. We have 9 judges, 3 for the patisserie and 3 for the main course. And we also have 3 judges in the kitchen going around the station to check what the participants are doing. They have to achieve in 5 hours and a half 2 dishes. 1 main course with 2 garnishes. Also the chocolate dessert within these 5 hours and a half. Main course will be presented on a silver platter and the dessert will be presented on a plate.
But I can say today you're all winners. Sebastian and some of the jury that I just talked to told me that they were very impressed and they were many surprised in what they have discovered today. So congratulations to you.
And for the first place, Cheney Cucumber. And I also would like to thank all our partners and sponsors, Taste France, the Académie Culinaire of France, the Master Chef of France, for their participation, their involvement and their support to make this day today possible, and welcome our great contestant to this fantastic challenge.